So let's just talk about Express generator. So Express generator is a tool and we can use that to create one Express.js application with a standard structure. We're gonna open the command prompt. So first of all, we have to install the Express generator. So npm install, we're gonna globally install that Express generator. Currently we're globally installing the Express generator. So we have done with the installation. So let's now create one new Express application. So Express, we're gonna call the application demo app. So you can see it was empty. Now we have the folder structure. So that is the standard Express project structure. So let's just try to understand the project structure. So first of all, we have the bin folder. So inside the bin folder, we have the www. So this folder contains all the script that starts our server. So here we have the port, and here we're just listening to this port. And then we have this public folder. So inside the public folder, we have the static assets like the image, CSS, and the JavaScript files. And also we have this routes folder. So the routes folder contains the routing definition. So here we have currently index and the users. And you can see we have this users route defined here. We can add our own route for the project. And also we have this view folder. View folder contains view templates. So by default we have this J template, but we can change that to other view engines like the handlebar or the EJS. And then finally we have the app.js. So this is the main file in our Express applications. And here we have so many different files. We have this all the middleware setup. We have this error handler. So the Express generator is very powerful tool. So we can use that and we can quickly set up the Express.js application with the standard structure. So it will save a lot of time and it will ensure consistency so that we can completely focus on building the core functionality of the application rather than dealing with the initial setup and the configuration. So hope you understand about the Express generator and how we can use that to create structure of our Express application. So see you in the next one. Take care.